Introduction vector and scalar. Vector means vector quantity both magnitude and direction. Have 1, 2 and 3 dimension. Any change in vector quantity can reflect either change in direction or change in magnitude or change in both. Example, displacement, velocity and acceleration. And scalar mean is scalar quantity has magnitude but no direction. Have 1 dimension. Any change in scalar quantity is the reflection of the change in magnitude. Example, speed, length and area.
I'm going to explain about application vector or scalar in carpentry. The Pythagorean theorem is used extensively in carpentry and construction. Almost every carpentry project involves some combination of squares and triangles. Carpenters also often use formulas and math when carrying our carpentry jobs, such as roofing to check a building in square and to calculate the length of rafter. When designing or building and fitting staircases, formulas are used to ensure the trees and rises are the right size and comply with local building codes. Next, I'm going to explain about example vector in carpenters. Carpenters often use hammer in this way to pull a stubborn nail.
Okay, number 1 in the diagram above, PQR is a triangle. P to S equal to 3n, P to R equal to 5n, and S to Q equal to 2r. Okay, first A, state the vector which is equal to vector 3n plus 2r. Okay, to solve this question, we need to 3n plus 2r equal to P to S plus S to Q, and the last one we can get answer which is P to Q. Okay, the next one is B. Find the resultant vector of vector P to S and S to R in terms of M. To solve this question, we need to P to S plus S to R equal to P to R, and then we must put negative RP, because P to R we can get 5M, but we switch R to P, we put the negative, which is we can get negative RP, and the last answer equal to negative 5.
In conclusion, vectors may be represented as arrows where the length of the arrow indicates the magnitude and the arrowhead indicates the direction of the vector. Then scalar quantity gives you an idea about how much of an object there is, but vector quantity gives you an indication of how much of an object there is, and that also in which direction. So the main difference between these two quantities is associated with the direction. Scalars do not have direction, but vectors have the resultant vector is found by adding component or by a parallelogram method in a scale diagram. Vectors may be represented as arrows where the length of the arrow indicates the magnitude and the arrowhead indicates the direction of the vector. Now we are going to the Q&A section. The question is, the position vector of the point A, B are negative 3i plus 4j and 3i plus j. Find magnitude OA, and then B, find vector AB, and the last one, find vector unit in direction of AB.
Answer for the question A. Magnitude OA equals to negative 3i plus 4j equals to square root 3 square plus 4 square equals to square root 9 plus 16 equals to square root 25, and the last answer is 5. Thank you.
Question B. We need find scalar AB. We must do AO plus OB. And then AO is minus negative 3i plus 4j, and OB is 3i plus j, and then you can get the answer is 3i negative and minus 4j plus 3i and plus j. You can plus together is 3i plus 3i and negative 4j plus j, and you can get the answer is 6i negative 3j.
And the last one for question C, we need to find unit vector AB. Formula to find unit vector AB, which is A to B per magnitude AB. Okay. A to B is 6i minus 3j per magnitude for AB is square root 6 square plus 3 square. Okay, after that we can get 6i minus 3j per square root 36 plus 9, and then 6i minus 3j per square root 45, and the last one, the answer for unit vector AB, which is 6i per square root 45 minus 3j per square root 45, and that's all.